Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a last summer collab with Creative Nails, and I'm going to do a simple summer set, and I'm going to paint these nails with IGelBeauty, which is DD01 baby powder, and then we're going to be using these stickers that I got from Wish to make a beautiful set. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these painted. The first layer, and with whites you want to go thin because they can wrinkle. So that's what we're going to do here. And I just painted my finger. Good way to start off, huh? So how's everybody doing? Everybody staying safe? I hope so. Okay, we're going. Look at that. I just touched the corner. Yep, this is going to be great. Wipe some of this off, or else I don't want it to wrinkle. Alright, we'll let that sit for a minute. And then get this one done. And I will paint the second coat off camera, guys, so to save a little bit of time. And then when I come back, we can just get right into decorating these nails for summer. Alright, there's that one. Goodness, I'm just making a mess. Alright, let's get the pinky one done. Why does that one look like it's got bubbles in it? Let me clean this off because this feels like there's something on it. Alright, I'm gonna get these in to cure, and I'm gonna paint them the second coat. When I come back, they will be already done and painted, and then we'll get started decorating. Alright guys, be right back. Okay guys, those are almost getting ready to come out. And on my palette here, I've got Azure Yellow, which is Azure CG119. That's what I got here on my palette. My dotting tool from Wish. And then I got these from Amazon. And I got these from Wish. So that's what we're going to be using today. And when I get back, when I get those out, then I'm going to get started on placement. And I will put some music on and let you watch. And if I have to come back in, I will. And in the list, in my description box, there will be a list of ladies in need of watch time. Tammy being one of them, and Tia and Kiki and myself, and then there will be Brandy, Catherine Ford, Brandy from BRC Nails, and Catherine Ford, and then there'll be Cherie. Those three, all three got monetized. So if you go and watch their playlist, please do not skip their commercials, because that's how they make their money. And if you went on my video, if you like it, please subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff that you do for YouTube. And if you share and give me a like, it does help me for YouTube to get my videos out to other people. So I would greatly appreciate that. here they are, guys. This is my final result. You guys need to go check out the list of the ladies that did this collab in my description box. If not, it will be pinned in my comments. And I had fun. This is one of my last sets for summer. And then I'll be doing another one from summer to fall pretty soon, which is another collab. So I just wanted to get this in here and show you guys. I appreciate you guys being here. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.